Your indoor air is not as clean as you might think.
Every product
the MA50 by Medify.
At Levoit, every product we make puts the health of your family first. We're introducing the Levoit Core 300 True HEPA Air Purifier, a modern upgrade to home wellness. To help combat common health issues, we've designed the 3-stage filtration system to catch a wide range of contaminants and keep your air as clean as possible. Combining efficiency with comfort, our powerful air circulation technology refreshes your space in minutes while adding minimal noise to your home. While you rest easy, the air purifier keeps working all day long. Upgrade your air quality with the Levoit Core 300 True HEPA Air Purifier, designed with your family in mind. Levoit.
Your indoor air is not as clean as you might think. The MA50 by Medify Air is engineered to remove more pollutants from the air, with 3 layers of filtration designed for maximum effectiveness. A pre-filter catches large particles like dust and pet dander. The true HEPA H13 filter removes 99.9% of particles down to 0.1 microns. And activated carbon absorbs VOCs and toxic odors. As an added precaution, UV light destroys vibrates quietly yet effectively, covering up to 1,100 square feet. So you and your family can breathe easy with clean air from Medify.